Hello, Europe! I am so honored to be with you today, and it is my thrill to talk to you about an oil sourced right from Europe. Our sourcing partners in Albania, Emilan Skora and his beautiful wife Lauren, are so committed to growing Helichrysum and artfully distilling it. They started by creating long-lasting, trusting partnerships with farmers that will provide them with a stable income that will benefit them, their families, and the community, and at the same time ensure the best product quality as doTERRA oversees every step of production. They had so much success with their fields that the Prime Minister of Albania visited their facility. They now employ hundreds, you get that, hundreds of small-scale farmers. This is an extremely important step to impact and develop the region, as many people used to have to move from rural areas to cities and even other countries in order to make a living. We have covered the amazing origins of Helichrysum and the incredible work that goes into sourcing this essential oil. But now, let's talk about why you need Helichrysum in your life. Helichrysum is your skin's best friend. Did you know it's referred to some as everlasting or the immortal flower? That's why this essential oil is an important part of many of our skincare products, such as Salubel, Virage, and CorrectX. Helichrysum is my go-to for all things skin. It has powerful, rejuvenating, and renewing benefits that will make a real difference in your skincare routine. And I must say, for all the men out there listening to this talk, you must give Helichrysum a try. This is that product you have been looking for to bring you relief after shaving. My husband swears by it. Now, I love to take Helichrysum and I will do spot treatments on my face. So I'll do a little dab here, a little dab there, or sometimes I put it all over my face, followed with my moisturizer, and it works beautifully. One thing not many people talk about is Helichrysum's chemistry. The composition of Helichrysum essential oil is not dominated by monoterpene alcohols like most florals. The particular species that we source contains a unique chemical constituent called italodiones. This constituent is not found in any other essential oil, including any other Helichrysum oils. That's why sourcing truly matters. So sharing chemical qualities such as alpha-pinene with frankincense and arbor vitae, the addition of italodiones makes Helichrysum an exceptional oil. The aroma of Helichrysum inspires courage and strength. It's a superhero essential oil. I am beyond excited to tell you all that we were able to make this precious essential oil more accessible while keeping all its incredible benefits. So we present to you Helichrysum Touch. This is in a convenient roller bottle. You have the pure Helichrysum essential oil combined with fractionated coconut oil, and the combination of the two give nourishing benefits to the skin. You are absolutely going to love it. It's great to put in your purse, in your backpack. It's great to apply to the skin for your kids. I love that I've got a little grandson who definitely needs Helichrysum in his life because he's always climbing up ladders and stairs and falling down, and this is a go-to at our house every single day. So I'm so excited that you now have access to it.